Good Monday morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Raddad Cooks, WJET 1690 on your AM dial. We're going to start off today with a couple calls. We got Jake on the line. How you doing, Jake?
Hey, Raddad, how's it going? Look, my cat woke me up early today, and I got a banger of a headache because I was up all night with my girlfriend drinking wine. What should I do?
Wow, Jake. Looks like you have a doozy on your hands. I recommend getting a nice cup of coffee, kick that hangover, get out and get a life.
Okay, Raddad, sounds good.
Oh, wow. Sounds like he needs some more things to wake him up in his life. Alright, let's get back to the phone lines and see if we have someone with some real problems. We got Travis on the line. What's up, Travis?
Oh, what up, Raddad? Yeah, check it out, man. I need a quicker way to make breakfast for me and my kid. Like something that we can both eat. What do you suggest?
Oh, man. Sounds like you got a case of the munchies with the thyme crunchy crunchies. You should whip up some of Raddad's fresh applesauce and super oats.
That sounds tight, Raddad. But yo, man, I don't got time to cook oats, and I don't know how to make applesauce.
Well, man, you got a pressure cooker?
Yeah?
If you do, this will be real quick and just a one-dish thing.
Cool.
You know how to cut with a knife?
Yeah?
Can you count to 4?
Yeah.
Alright, well go ahead and cut an apple into 4 pieces. And then we want to remove that center core part like this. If you got an apple core, more power to you. Just put 2 cups of water in there, and that'll be enough to cook 2/3 cups of steel cut oats. Just put them in the bottom of the pressure cooker there, and then put your little grate on top with your apples. This is 3 large apples, and it'll make about 8 ounces or a cup. Just put that lid on the pressure cooker, close your valve, and crank it to 20 minutes. Stand by and enjoy some time with the boy.
Yo, but Raddad, how did the apples turn into applesauce?
Use this thing called
what's
a
that?
potato ricer. Check it out. The affiliate link's down below in the description.
I'll have to check that out.
I'll wait. Be sure to support the sponsors to our sanity by Happy Bathing Teethers.
Isn't it all gonna be real hot though? How am I gonna mash that?
Well, you want to go ahead and cool it in a nice cold water bath and strain it in a fine strainer. Once it's cool as Jake's kitty cat, go ahead and press it through your potato ricer. It's gonna catch the skins and squeeze out the sauce.
Whoa, that's tight. Is that some kind of disposable decaying container or something?
Yeah, I go to the restaurant supply store and buy a whole sleeve of 50 of them for like $11.
Word.
Real easy to bring her into a school. We use them a few times, but when I'm lazy, I toss them.
Thank you so much, Raddad. I'm gonna do this morning.
Hey, brother man, I'm glad I could help out. Raddad Cooks signing off for the morning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Comment, subscribe.